In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L5298 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, include Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, you can just extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All. Please click Extract button here. After that, you can open the Resettle folder and run the adjustment program files. For the first time use, you need to input the password. The password you can get in these txt files. Then you can run the adjustment program. After that, you need to click Select button here and choose the Epson L5298 printer. Okay, then click OK. After that, you can click Particular Adjustment Mode button here. Then you can choose Was Ink Pad Counter and click OK. Tick the Main Pad Counter option, Flatten Pad Counter option, and Ink System Pad Counter. After that, you can click Check button. Then you can click Initialize button. After the resetter works, you can just click Finish and you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. In any case you face error here, you can just try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. After that, you can try to repeat the resetting process. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson L5298 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any question, you can fill in the forms comment below. Thanks for watching.